The best you is more than enough. The best you is more than enough. As in, you, period, is more than enough. We get all of this feedback, right? And most of it is instant. Most of it is instant feedback. And we are getting this feedback and we are literally changing ourselves due to this feedback, whether it is from society, whether it is from your parents, whether it is from your best friend or your partner. You are literally changing yourself for everyone else except for you. What do you want? What do you want to be? What do you want to portray to others? You don't have to be that everyone wants. You don't have to do that. You are choosing to change for the other's feedback. But what if that's not you? What if that doesn't make you happy? What if you don't even know your true self because you are literally taking everyone else's opinion other than your own? Because that's all we know. We've been programmed to believe that getting feedback and changing because of that feedback is okay. And of course, there's going to be some situations where you're like, oh, definitely, I'm making that change, right? We are all evolving. We are all growing. And you can literally take in your parents' opinions, or feedback, your best friend's feedback. Of course, we all have free will. We can do whatever we desire to do. However, if that is not resonating on a high frequency for you, if that doesn't resonate deep within your soul, that change, that's when you make the switch and you're living for everybody else except for yourself. So you need to make sure that the changes that you put into play within your life is what is best for you and your life. Everyone else does not need to understand the changes that you make in your life. If this change that they advise you on or give you information on, if this change shows up for your higher and best self, heck yes, make that change. But overall, your best is more than enough. If you are going 100% at something, it is more than enough because you are making that shift. No one else is making that shift. And this goes back to the last couple of days where the energy is very much like, I need to own it. I need to stop being an imposter to myself, because really what we're doing right now and as a collective is learning who we actually are. We are breaking down the walls, really, and understanding ourselves even more than what we have in decades, because we were always searching for the happiness outside of ourselves. And now that we're looking inwards as a collective, being this doesn't work for me anymore, and setting up boundaries and literally saying no, because the last couple of generations, it's been yes man throughout. And we are getting to the point now where we, starting with the millennials, we are okay with saying, no, this doesn't work for me. But if you're going to say, no, this doesn't work for me, you have to come up with another solution that does work for you, as well as whatever the event is, whether it's a relationship or something like that. So it really is the compromising that needs to take place, which is hard. The hard part isn't saying no. That's the easy part, right? But it's really the compromise between the two beings, between the two souls, that need to work on something that is going to be best for both of you, not just them. I hope this makes sense. This is the Daily Message. My name is CG from the Galactic Soul, and I update a daily message every single day. So definitely hit subscribe. And by every single day, I mean during the week. So just so you know. But either way, this is your message for today. I hope this makes sense. If it did resonate, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to know and have some validation on my part. So thank you so much. And remember to always be yourself.